Hey e-commerce community, today I'm going to help you understand what you need to know about sales tax as an e-commerce business owner. We've seen sales tax literally destroy businesses, so this is something you cannot ignore. Before I dive into the content of this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel because we offer the best e-commerce and small business accounting advices. And be sure to hit that bell sign so you get notified when we post a new video every week. Okay, here at LedgerGurus, we help so many e-commerce clients with their sales tax. I am a sales tax expert. I lead a whole team here at LedgerGurus, and I spend all my days helping clients decide where they need to register, do the actual registration, turn on their sales tax collection settings so they can actually get the money from the clients, and then we help them with all of their filings. So I'm really excited to share with you what you need to know. The first thing that you need to understand is where you need to register and in which states you have to remit sales tax to. You've probably heard of Wayfair case. That's the one that affects the e-commerce businesses the most, is that physical presence is not the single test rule anymore. If you have enough economic activities into a certain state, either by the revenue amount or by number of transactions, you need to register and start collecting and remitting sales tax to the state. So even though Wayfair, this economic nexus ruling, have been talked about so much, don't forget physical presence still creates nexus, meaning if you have office building, if you have inventory, even inventory in FBA warehouse, if you have remote employees and contractors and subcontractors, those might all create physical presence for you. So economic nexus is your economic activity. Physical nexus is your people and property. And then if you're a marketplace facilitator, there are marketplace facilitator rules that might mean that you as a marketplace need to remit and collect sales tax. Besides these three most common nexus triggers, there are also other kinds of nexus like cookie nexus, affiliate nexus, and click-through nexus that you need to pay attention to. So since determining where you have nexus and where you need to register and remit sales tax is the most complicated part of this whole process, please comment below and let me know if you have any questions about that up to this point. Okay, secondly, make sure that you do not collect sales tax until you register with the state. To register with the states, you usually need to go to the state's Department of Revenue website, and there you can usually fill out an application online. Except from our experiences, we've seen a few, like not that many, just a few states that as a remote seller, which is most common for e-commerce businesses, it's really hard to finish the whole registration process online. Like sometimes you have to just fill out the paper form and mail it in. We've seen that as the case for Kentucky and Colorado. So if you are registering with one of those states, you'll probably need to paper file your registration forms. The third thing to keep in mind is that after you register, be sure to go to your sales channels and turn on those tax settings so you can start collecting tax from your customers instead of paying it out of pocket. And then the last thing is to remit those sales tax on time. Most states have the deadline being the 20th day after the closing of the prior month. So like, for example, now we're in the month of March. So March 20th would be the due date for the February filing period. Okay, so those are the four things that you need to know about sales tax. Just like we said before, we help with so many businesses with their sales tax needs. And if you want to know more about any of these points that I just talked about, there's a link below that you can click and download a guide. I think the name of the guide is 10 easy ways to ensure sales tax does not burn your business. And it'll give you like detailed detailed guidance on all of these things I talked about. And if you are a business that has over $1 million in annual sales, this is where we can step in and help you with your sales tax needs. You can contact us at LedgerGurus.com and we'll make sure to start you on the right track. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel, and you can share this video with all your e-commerce friends. And please let us know and just comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much and have a good day.